Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie, but most people calls me Steffi. I'm 29 years old and I'm studying visual design at the Computer College. I work as visual merchandiser since 10 years ago, and 9 of these years I have been working to Toto, which is a national backpack company. So that's all I can tell about my life for now. And today I'm going to introduce you my family tree. So I'm Ophelia's daughter and Lina's sister. My mom is 50 years old. She is mother of three. She's a lovely mother. She's an independent worker. She's an independent woman. And now she's planning to start a new business with her husband, Ivan. Ivan is my stepfather. He's 51 years old. He's a really hard worker man. He got he's a taxi driver, and he got a gorgeous granddaughter, Lupe. Lupe's mom is Paola. She is my stepsister. She works as a nurse in Cali City, and maybe she is going to visit us very soon. By the other hand, I got my other sister, Lina. She's Lorenzo's and Thomas's mom. She is 28 years old and she's a really young mom. That's kind of cool because my nephews never get bored with her. My nephews are really close to their cousin Lupe. Even when they are in different cities, they keep in touch really often. Um, Santiago is my other brother. He is the only child in common between my mom and my stepfather. He is 16 years old. He is a video gamer and he is studying uh, in secondary yet. Mm, my grandparents from mom, they are no longer alive, but my stepfather's dad, Luis, he is the only grandfather that we got. He is a really vigorous man. He is like, I don't know, maybe over 85 years old, but he is still working. He travel a lot. He is always around, going around the cities. So he is not afraid to adventure, and I really admire him for that. So that's all I can tell you about my family. Thanks and goodbye.